Necklace? This looks very expensive. How is this necklace here? I'll give it to sir. After all, it's his land, I'm working here. It's his right on this. But why should I give it to him? If I get it, then it's mine. By selling this, I'll be able to get my daughter married very well. I was worried for so many days about how she will get married. By selling this, all my worries will be solved. Dear, no matter what you do in life, but never live a life of dishonesty. Even if there was a little in life, but whatever it is, it should be of your hard work and honesty.
Yes, Dad. I will always live a true and honest life, just like you.
Well done, dear. No. What was I doing? I always used to teach my daughter the lesson of honesty, and today I was going to cheat myself. If my daughter finds out, what will she think about her father and his honesty? She is very proud of his father and his honesty. No, for me, respect in my kids' eyes is more important than money. I can't be disgraced in front of my daughter. I will give it to sir. Yes. Yes, tell me, what do you want to tell me? Sir, I was working outside, so I got this necklace. Where did you get this necklace? Sir, I was digging outside and I saw it suddenly. Sir, I thought it was expensive, so I brought it to you. I can't tell you how much you have done for me by giving me this necklace. How is it, sir? This is my mom's necklace. 5 years ago, when we bought this land, we came here to worship. Then she lost it. She searched a lot but couldn't find it. And after losing it, she was so worried that because my grandmother gave this necklace to my mom, and my mom wanted to give this necklace to my future wife. But at the last moment, she said, "Son, please forgive me. I won't be able to give that necklace to your future daughter-in-law because she lost it." So, I can't tell you how happy I am to get this. After listening to you, sir, I am also very happy. Now, you have given me such a precious thing. You deserve to be rewarded. Here, this is your reward. No, sir. I don't want this money. That was yours only, so I gave it to you. You please keep it. I will like it. No, sir. I don't want this money. Okay, a few days ago, you were talking about your daughter's marriage. You looked worried. Yes, sir. You do one thing. You bring your daughter to my house tomorrow. Okay, sir. I'll come. Okay. Oh, you have come. Please sit. How are you both? Fine, sir. You must be wondering that why I have called you here. Yes, sir. Look, you are looking for a groom for your daughter's marriage. And I'm also looking for a girl for my marriage. My parents are not there to talk about marriage. That's why I'm talking to you about my marriage. I want to marry your daughter, if you agree. Sir? What are you saying, sir? I'm speaking the truth. I want to marry your daughter. But sir, I'm just an ordinary worker in your company. We have no comparison, sir. You are a millionaire. How is this possible? It doesn't matter what work you do. What kind of a person you are is what matters. In today's time, people don't want to see each other happy. They are snatching others' rights. They are busy in fighting with each other. And in such a time, You give me a necklace worth lakhs of rupees, and in return, I give you lakhs of rupees, you don't even take that. This shows your honesty and your humanity. And you have such good values, you must have given these values to your daughter as well. But still, sir, what will people say? What will the society say? I don't care what the society says. I will decide who I want to spend my life with. In today's world, everyone has money. But the humanity, honesty, and values that you have, not everyone has them. And this is something that cannot be bought with money. I have seen a lot of girls, but I have never found a girl with the same values and values that I wanted. Whenever she used to come to give me lunch, I used to look at her. She's exactly what I wanted. And that is why I want to marry her. Dear, do you accept this proposal? Sir, I still don't believe that is happening. This is not a dream, this is reality. And I promise you that I will always keep your daughter happy. Okay, sir. I will go and get some sweets.